Show me.
Q and queen.
What letter is it?
Q and queen.
Q makes the sound queen. Show me another one.
Q.
Oh no. Here, do a different one. Do a different one. What letter is that? What letter?
D make it sound. D. D.
Good. Show me another one.
Hey, Mom. Z make it sound. Z. For zebra.
Good.
Hey, this letter.
What letter?
B make it sound. B. B.
Good job.
For balloon.
For balloon.
Hey, Mom. Comes the next one.
What's the next one?
C make it sound. Like a snake.
Like cat.
Like a cat.
Or what's this? What's this on the back? What's that?
For a clock.
For clock. Good. What's this one?
S make it sound.
For what?
Vitamin.
Like xylophone. That one's tricky.
Xylophone.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Hey, what is this?
You don't know? Tell me what that is. What letter?
E make it sound.
Eh.
For elephant.
Good.
S make it sound. Like a turtle.
Not like a turtle, like a, what's this?
Like a fish.
Good.
S make it sound like sun.
Yes,
See sun?
I do. S.
S.
What do you got next?
G make it sound. G.
G, G, G.
G. G.
What's next?
Q.
What's that?
R.
Good. R makes a sound. R.
Ooh.
You got more? You almost done?
Yes, almost done.
Okay.
Comes.
What letter?
V. Like for.
For what? What is this?
Vitamin.
Violin. All right, two more. Ready?
2 more.
Okay. What do you like?
I.
What does I say?
Huh?
What letter? What sound does I say? I makes a sound. Like Indian.
Indian.
Good. All right, last one. Which one are you gonna do? What letter?
M make it sound.
La. Good job. You did great, Jackson. All done. Or you want to keep going?
I have to get going.
You ready for your nap?
No.
No.
What comes next?
What letter?
Oh my God, sound. Oh.
Ah.
Ah. Mommy, all these colors. Mommy.
All done. What is this?
What is school bus?
This is Magic School Bus.
Can I see more pictures?
Are you going to see your video?
Yes. Can I see more?